Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back. This is Robert Baxter, and today I have a beautiful home that I want to share with you. Make sure that you stay through to the end because you are not going to want to miss this one. This backyard is just, you just got to see it. All right, so the other day I got to go out to Cold Springs and check out this beautiful oasis of a home. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, and 2,458 square feet. The open floor plan makes this place seem even bigger than it is. The kitchen has granite countertops, an island, and beautiful cabinetry. And then that backyard has a custom water feature, mature landscaping, and a covered patio. Let's go check it out. Man, what a home. My favorite part was the kitchen. I really liked the color of those cabinets, and that island was pretty sweet too. I really liked their buffalo paintings myself, but I imagine they'd take those with them. Look, there's lots more content where that came from, so make sure you like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss any videos in the future. I'll leave my information below, so if you need any help with real estate in Northern Nevada, feel free to reach out. Now, would you do me a favor? Go down in the comment section and say what's up, leave me a question or any suggestions or anything like that. I'd love to hear from you guys. Until next time, this is Robert Baxter. I'm a realtor with eXp Realty, and we'll catch you next time.